Hi again. Previous video, as I said, I try everything. This iPhone is not working and it's not opening. Then I decide to open the inside of this phone. Let's see why it's not working. I just grab out this here. I use this plastic sideways. Just go around. Just go around. Okay, let's just try from here. Okay. Go around a little bit. Okay. Go all the way. Okay, now. Alright, just open it this way. From the home button, you just raise it and pull it a little bit and open it. As you see, this is the inside of the iPhone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pull out the battery connection. Okay, this is it. As you see, I took it away, and these are the connection of I think as this is connection of LCD screen and other things. So there is a 4 of them. I'm gonna take it out everything. Don't use metal, just use your nail. If you don't have nail, just use the plastic that take it out those cables. Right there, one more. One more here. One more here. Come on, one more here. What is it? Alright, come on. Okay, it came out. So this is the one. I don't know, I'm trying to understand what's wrong with this guy. I check everything. I check this guy. I check inside all connection parts and battery here. Last thing that I'm gonna maybe change the battery. I'll try that. If you guys have any idea that why is this phone, and when you push the button, a power button, and logo, Apple logo, it's coming on. You can see that, but after that disappear. And once again you close and you can see the power button is working. You're closing the light is going off. And if I open it again, use the power button, and Apple logo it's come, but it doesn't boot. It doesn't go through that I can use this phone. But if you guys have any idea, any knowledge, please give me the information that I can fix this phone. This is my wife phone, and she dropped it, and then after that, yeah, this has happened. So yeah, let's help each other and transfer the knowledge and support each other. And if I don't know anything, you help me, guys. And if you guys don't know anything about something else, and I can help you. This way we can encourage each other, we can build each other, and we can help each other. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and please watch the another video too. Please subscribe, and yeah, see you with another video. Bye bye.